Hello children, welcome to online 11th class for 6th standard computer science. Already finished the lesson 1 computer language, lesson 2 introduction to Adobe Flash CS6, lesson 3 introduction to Adobe Photoshop CS6. Have you all studied the 3 lessons, children? Yes, that also you should study well. Okay children. Today we are going to see the next lesson for tables in Word 2016. Chapter name is for tables Word in Word 2016. These are the topics we'll cover in the chapters. Learn ways to insert a table, then move and resize table using handles. Then know how to change the appearance of table. Then how to add a row and column to table. Then learn to delete row and column for table. Then merge cells and split cells in a table. Then table. What's a table, mom? A table is an arrangement of data in rows and columns, possibly in a more complex structure. Then tables are widely used in communication, then research and data analysis. Tables appear in print media, handwritten notes, computer software, architectural ornamentation, then graphic science and many other places. Okay. Table consists of rows and columns. Rows and columns. Row runs horizontally while column runs vertically. Okay. Runs horizontally, that is called row. Runs vertically, that is called column. Okay ma, listen. Each row is identified by row number, which run vertically the left side of the sheet. Each column is identified by column header, which runs horizontally at the top of the sheet. Okay, that is row and column. All of you look at the picture, ma. See the picture, all of you. Okay. The vertical division of table is called column and horizontal division is called a row. Look at the picture. Column and row. Okay. The vertical division of a table is called column and horizontal division is called a row. Can you understand, ma? Yes. The intersection of a row and column is called a cell. The intersection of a row and column is called a cell. C-E-L-L, cell. Okay, every cell of the table contains data. Every cell of the table contains data. Table consists of rows and columns. Okay, vertical division of a table is called column and horizontal division is called a row. Intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Every cell of the table contains data. Next topic, insertion of table. Insertion of table, take page number 37. There are various methods available to insert table in a Word document. In a Word document, first method, using the table grid. Using table grid. Second option, using insert table. Third method, using draw table. Using draw table. Method 1, using table grid. Listen carefully, all of you. First step, keep the insertion pointer where you want the table to be inserted. Insertion pointer where you want the table to be inserted. Then click on Insert tab, then Tables group, then Table drop down. Click on the cell as per your choice for dimensions of tables. A table of chosen dimensions is inserted in the document. Option, click on Insert tab, then Tables group, then click Table drop down option. First, see the document, all of you. First step, click here, table option. Then the table appeared on the screen. Then select range of cells. Then insert table. Then a table inserted in the document. Okay. Then method 2, using insert table. Step 1, keep the insertion pointer where you want the table to be inserted. Keep the insertion pointer where you want the table to be inserted. Listen ma. First step, click on Insert tab. Then Tables group option. Then Tables drop down option. Click on Insert table option. The Insert table dialog box appears in a screen. Then enter the number of rows and columns. Figure 4.3, Insert table dialog box. Then enter the number of rows and columns. Then you want in the table. Then click on the OK button. A table with the dimensions as entered is inserted in the document. Table figure 4.4, table inserted. All of you see the table. Table is inserted. Okay. Then method 3, using draw table. First step, click on Insert tab. Then Tables group option. Then Table drop down option. Then click on Draw table option. Click on Draw table option. The mouse pointer changes to pencil shape. This only used to pencil shape. The mouse pointer changes to using the draw table is used to the mouse pointer changes to pencil shape. Then drag it on the document to draw table rows and columns by dragging the pen shaped pointer. Underline the word, by dragging the pen shaped pointer. A table with rows and columns as drawn by you will be available on the document. Rows and columns as drawn by you will be available in the document. That is the draw table. Listen ma. Can you understand ma? Then entering data. Click the table button. First the insertion pointer inside any cell of table using a mouse. Then click the table button. Start entering data using keyboard. Okay mama. Start entering data using keyboard. Then to insert data inside a cell, insertion pointer has to be present inside the cell. Data entered into table. So see the figure 4.5. The data entered into a table. Receive RISHI. The cursor is desired. Data entered into table. Okay ma? Okay. Then look at the figure 4.6. The table shown with its handles. The table about half a second. Two handles show upon the table. In the top left, the table move handle shows up and bottom right. Shows up and bottom right. The table resize handles shows up. See the figure. table move handle. The symbol is table move handle. Then the table resize handle. Listen ma, this is table resize handle. Then table move handle. Then moving a table. Next topic, moving a table. First of all, click on the table. The plus sign, all of you see the picture 4.7. The table, all of you see the table. The plus sign at the left hand top corner. Table move handle. This is plus sign symbol. You see the picture. This is the table move handle. Place the mouse pointer on the table move handle and drag the table to where you want by pressing the left mouse button. By pressing the left mouse button. Release the mouse button. Then your table is placed at that place. Understand ma? Place the mouse pointer on the table move handle and drag the table to where you want by pressing the left mouse button. Then release the mouse button. Then your table is placed at that place. Then resizing a table. First step, click on the table. Then the small square at the right hand bottom corner of the table. The small square at the right hand bottom corner of the table. This small square is known as resize handle. Underline the word, underline the sentence. This small square is known as resize handle. Move the mouse pointer on the table resize handle and you will see a double-headed arrow on it. Double-headed arrow on it. Drag the table to the desired size by pressing the left mouse button. Pressing the left mouse button, release the mouse button when you get the desired size. Then the table is resized. Figure 4.8, see all of you, table resized. This is table resized method. Now changing look and feel of table. Changing look and feel of table. A table is inserted into the document. 2 new tabs open up in the ribbon. These are design and layout. Steps to change the style of the table inserted. That is menu bar. This is menu bar. Menu bar option is File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View, Help, Design. That is Design tab. Design and Layout. Next, Layout. First step, click on Design tab. Design tab. Then Table Styles Group option. Then Table Styles drop down. Select any table style of your choice. The style chosen is applied to the table. Figure 1.10, table style applied. Click on desired table style. See the table ma? Click on desired table style. Anyone you choose. Then apply the table. Then the table style applied. Have you understood, children? Yes.